Hi all. So in our previous session, we have discussed about DAX expressions. So in that, what is mean by new measure and new column, how to create a new measure and column and all we have seen in our previous sessions. And aggregate functions, in aggregate functions, we have some functionalities that and all we have discussed earlier, and count functions. And today we are going to discuss about logical functions. Third one is logical function. So what all comes under logical functions? First one is and, or, not. Fourth one is if condition, and then if error. Okay. These are all formulas comes under logical functionalities. Okay, so what is mean by logical? Logical, or we can say conditions, right? Based on the conditions, it will work. So, how you will write a condition? So, for example, I'm checking like A greater than or equal to B. Then this is one condition. So, whether A value is greater than or equal to B or less than or equal to B. So it will check whether it is true or not. So that is comes under condition, right? So what all symbols we can use here in conditions? We can use equal to, not equal to. We can use not equal to, and less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than and greater than symbol. Okay, these are all conditions or comes under this category. So you can use any of these things, whether it is matching equal to, not equal to, and greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than, greater than. These and all comes under conditions, right? So how should I use conditions? So for example, if I have A value is 10, B value is 20, just I'm checking whether A is greater than or equal to B or not. So it will provide only true or false result. So whether if A is bigger than B, then it will show true, or otherwise it will show false. Now our A value is very less compared to B. It is not a greater than symbol. It is a less than or equal to B, right? So that's why it is showing false. It will provide only true or false result. Okay. So for example, I'll use some condition in our Power BI. Maybe I'll go to some of the data. Just I'll check here. Now, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to add a column. I'm just checking that. Maybe I'll give the name of logic heading, and I'm just checking whether my sales column is greater than or equal to 5,000. So for example, my sales target is 5,000. I want to know whether the sale value is greater than 5,000 or less than 5,000. So it will provide only true or false. So if it is, see here we have 5,200, then it is showing true. So if it is less, then it will show false. So this is how we need to apply the condition. Then how should I use this AND operator? For this AND operator, we have to use two conditions, two logic or two condition. We can say two logic or two conditions. Two conditions we can use at a time. So how should I use? So for example, maybe A greater than or equal to B. This is one condition. Similarly, I can use one more condition, less than or equal to B. So anything, any two condition, if you are using, that is comes under and or condition. So here we have some logic in AND operator. So if you are using two condition, first condition true, one means true, and another condition is also true, then the result will be 1. So you understood? So first condition should be true and second condition should true, means the answer will be true. If any one goes false, so first condition goes false and second condition is true, then the answer will be false. Any one false also, it will provide the false result, not for true. If you are using AND operator, both should be true. Then only it will provide the true result. If both is false, answer will be false. Any one is false also, it will provide the false result. This calculation only it will provide the result. Okay. So how it will apply? How it will apply? So for example, I'm going to apply AND logic, and so I can able to compare two conditions. So see here, logical 1 and logical 2. I can able to apply two conditions. It will provide based on the conditions. Whether both is true, it will provide true. Whether both is false, it will provide false. Any one false also, it will provide false result. Now, I'm going to write first condition is whether my sale value is greater than or equal to 5,000. This is my first condition. And second condition, cost greater than or equal to 4,000. This is my second condition. Okay, close. Then what happened here? I have applied two logic. This two logic is true, then only it will provide the true result. Otherwise, it will not provide the true result. It will show false. Enter. Then what happened? See here, sales value is below 5,000 and cost is also below 4,000. So answer is false. Both is false. So answer will be false. Now here in this line item, so the sales is more than 5,000 and cost is more than 4,000. So both is true. It is providing true result. All right. This line is providing true result. So somewhere it will apply. So for example, okay. Okay, so this example, see, the sales value is below 5,000, but cost is more than 4,000. Then what happened? One is false, another one is true. Then automatically the answer will be false. So either any one is true, it will go false. Both is false, it will go false. If both is true only, it will provide the true result. So if I filter true condition, you can go and check. See here, crossed more than 5,000, crossed more than 4,000, everything. It is not below 4,000, more than 5,000. And similarly, cost also should be more than 4,000, not below 4,000. Then only it will provide the true result. So the same logic it will apply here and it will provide the result. This is AND operator. Now, if I'm using OR operator, then it is quite reverse. Same logic. Here also I can able to use two logics. And But the result is, if both is true, it will provide true result. If both is false, it will provide. So any one is true, the answer will be true. Any one is true, answer will be true. Both is false, answer will be false. So this is OR logic. Okay. The same formula I am changing into, instead of AND, I am changing OR. Okay. Enter. So I'll change into OR function. I'll write one more time. OR formula, and there is a logic 1 and logical 2. First logic, sales greater than or equal to 5,000 and cost greater than or equal to 4,000. Same logic I'm giving here, but now I'm using OR operator. Then what happened? So any one condition true, it will true. Both is true also, it will provide true result. So for example, see here, both is false. First line, both is okay. Okay, I changed the symbol here. Maybe I'll change greater than. So greater than 5,000, greater than 4,000. Enter. So see the first logic, both is false. So below 5,000, below 4,000, both is false. So the answer will be false. And another scenario, see here, more than 5,000, more than 4,000, both is true. The answer is true. Okay. If any one goes true, then okay. Yeah, here this example. See, the sales is less than 5,000, it is not achieved, but second condition is true. First condition is false, second condition is true. I used OR operator. Any one is true, the answer will be true. So automatically the answer is providing true result. Okay. So this is how you have to use this and OR logic. Then how should I use NOT logic? Not, we can able to use single condition, only one condition, A greater than or equal to B. This is one condition I can able to use. But if the condition is true, if the answer is true, then it will provide false, because I'm using not, opposite reaction will come here. Then if the answer is false, then it will provide true. Okay. So for example, I'll apply this condition, not, open bracket, tab. I'll write one condition, sales greater than or equal to 5,000. Enter. Now see here, my value is greater than 5,000, but it is showing false. See, my value is below 5,000, but it is showing true. So it is, or reversely it will print. When wherever you are using not, it will provide the opposite result. If the condition is true, it will provide false. If the condition is false, then it will show the true result. In reverse versa, it will provide. Okay. So next condition is if condition. Maybe we'll watch on next video. Thanks for watching.